Hi everybody, by another request we have my other Hoover Concept 1, model U3307 I believe. I'm not quite sure on that one because the sticker plate is missing, so I don't have a manufacturing date or a model number, but based on a old Hoover ad for the Concept 1 I found online a while back, I believe this is the model number. But anyway, I got this vacuum from one of my brother's old friends. His grandpa gave it to me a long time ago. That's why he's an old friend. But anyway, he gave it to me a long time ago. And the friend, his mom, had a Rainbow D4 that every time my friend visited, my mom would go and of course talk with his mom. So I used the Rainbow while I was there, because I got dragged along. And apparently he heard from her about my thing with vacuums. And he was driving one day and he found it and picked it up and thought I'd like it, and then we went there one time. He said, "Oh yeah, I got a vacuum for you," and he pulled it out of their garage. And so yes, this was my first Concept 1, and I was very excited at finding it. Has headlight and a 2-speed switch. Since I got it, I have replaced the cord and replaced the power switch. It has the I think what's the deluxe brush roll on it, because it's the chrome or whatever it is, silver with double rows on it. I had to replace the cord because when I got it, it had a cut in it, and I decided it would be cool to make it longer by splicing in a piece of white cord I had. And a few years into that, I didn't like how it looked with the originality of the vacuum, so I waited around for a free cord at the vacuum store, and he got one. And when I went to replace that, that's when the power switch broke. So after waiting for one of those to come in, I got that all hooked up and put in place. So now it runs good, and we'll set the tripod up and show it running. Give me a second here, I didn't have everything set up ahead of time. Okay, we're ready to go. And there we have my first Concept 1 and second to be requested.